discussing the poem Trees. This poem is in praise of trees. The trees are man's best friend. Trees are for birds. Trees are critical for birds in many ways, and they meet all birds' basic needs for survival. For food, trees provide sap, buds, nuts, and fruit for birds, as well as hosting insects in bark and leaves. For shelter, thick branches and leaves provide shelter for birds in all weathers, and many birds roost in trees. The trees are for children also. Children play games under the shadow of trees like hide and seek, and so many games they play under the trees. They give us wood to make houses and swings. It is because of the trees that wind blows through. Children can hide behind their trunks in the game hide and seek. Next, the grown-ups also enjoy the tea parties under their shade. Kites also get entangled, means caught in trees. It gives us cool shade in summers but not in winter. Right? In a summer season, in a sunny season, we get cool shade under the trees, but we don't get the same in winters. The tree even gives us fruits like apples and pears and so many fruits. When the tree is cut, its wood is called timber, which is very useful. To man, mother find trees very good to make a painting, whereas fathers feel that there are a lot of leaves to gather in autumn season. So, it's our duty to save our trees. Take care of the trees, they will take care of you. Trees make the environment cleaner and provide us with oxygen. They are essential for life to flourish. Saving trees would lead to a greener and healthier environment, and in turn lead us to being healthier and more active. Save trees, save nature. Trees are a precious natural resource, and we must value them and treat them with care.